In this episode, we are going to learn how to install the Java Development Kit and the compiler IntelliJ IDEA, which we'll be using for programming in Java. Let's begin with installing the Java Development Kit. First, we're going to install the Java Development Kit by going to java.com, then going to Download, see all Java downloads, looking for the JDK downloads. Alright, and these are all the versions of the JDK that we can use. But we're going to stick with the most current version, which is 10.0.2. And you go over here, you hit download. You have to accept the license agreement. And then you choose your operating system of choice, which we're going to be going with Windows. You hit install. And I will be right back while this installs. Alright, now it's installed. It's asking us to allow permission for this program. Yes. We'll hit next. Let everything to default for now. We will put it in programs and then just leave it default. Hit next. And it successfully installed, so we'll close. The next download that we have to get is IntelliJ IDEA, which is the compiler we will be using for this tutorial series. So we go to jetbrains.com/IDEA. Now we download. Now if you want to get the paid version, it's Ultimate. I'm not sure what the difference is really, but we'll go with the free community version. So we'll hit download. And it will install, and I'll be right back again. Okay, now it's successfully installed. We will run it. Hit yes. Next. Just install in the default path. Next. Choose what kind of launcher you'll use. I have 64-bit installed. Then we'll hit Java. Next. Install. And that is it. That's all we will need for this episode, and we will continue this in the next episode. We will begin our first session of programming. Stay subscribed for more videos like this one. See you.